my slide action pistol, and it does what it's called. So slide it back. At the moment there is no magazine, so what you have to do is load it through the barrel.